I'm back.
I did it.
Come on, baby.
I missed. I did it though, it broke. Shut up. Hey YouTube, what's up? Hope everybody's having a good day. Just wanted to share a little something that I got in yesterday. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, ain't that dope? So I went ahead and picked up the DJI Mavic Air 2, and this is actually e-drone. E-drones, baby. Eric got into something else. You guys pay attention to his channel, you'll know what that is. I don't want to give it away, but he got into something else, and this girl come up for sale, so he went ahead and put it in the box for me, all nice and neat. Look at him, huh? Appreciate you, amigo. You guys don't know, me and Eric's local, we're like brothers. So here it is. Well, we have 2 batteries, 2 charged batteries. So there you go. There we got some MD filters. ND filters going on here. The other one on the drone, obviously. We have the, what's that, ND8, 32, and then the 16 is actually on there. So, and that's the bezel for the stock camera. We have the transmitter, which is very much familiar to my hands because I have the DJI Spark, or I do have the DJI Spark, but I have the DJI Mavic Mini 2, so it's pretty much the same controller. I'm not sure, just a couple buttons might be different for doing different things. I know it says tripod, and then the Mini 2 says cinematic, so there's that. Well, what we got here? We got stickers. This is that really cool one. If you guys don't know, Eric sends these to people, and all you gotta do is email them back, and you get a $50, if I'm not crazy, RDQ or card of your choice. I don't have to go through all that. Eric gave me a good price on this, so I wouldn't do it to him anyway, but I appreciate the dope sticker. He knows how I feel about the money situation. And if you guys don't know, you see I put HQ on my videos now. That's because this guy sponsored me up with HQ. He literally just gets me HQ props. Whenever I need them, I just let him know and he gets them. I know, I hate letting people know, hey man, I'm almost out of props. I feel like kind of begging, but he wants to do it, so I have to respect that and let him do it if that's what he wants to do. Appreciate you, man. And you also know Ken FPV. We've told you all we can about them. You saw what they do, so just go out and pick up a frame. It's that simple. Run it, build it, run it, whatever. Get with it. Anyway, here's what else we're waiting on. Oh, let me show you something else that came with it. This is pretty cool. So this is the Lumi Cube. He actually gave that to me with it. It's bright. I don't feel like looking at that, but I'll show you guys. And we'll lean it back over and turn it off. Press and hold 3 seconds, and yeah. Cool little thing. You should always have a light when you fly in these guys at night. And here it is, the Mavic Air 2. Ooh. Check that out. That's dope. I like this. I've always loved this bird. Eric flew it. It's got spotlight on the bottom. We'll get into it, just more or less to show you what I got in unboxing. We're gonna do little things with this guy. Forward and backwards and bottom facing sensors. So yeah, I've always watched Eric with this guy. We'd go out and fly, and you know, just different places, and he'd take this thing, man, and he would just pick it up. He would just shove the stick forward, and that thing would just it'd go right around trees, up over the tree, down under the canopy, whatever it would have to do to avoid the obstacle. And I just thought that was really cool. So every time Eric brought this out, I've always liked it. So obviously when it came up for sale, it was a no-brainer that I wanted to pick it up. But yeah, really nice. When I flown it yesterday, just kind of feel it. He says it like skates like, or flies like it skates on ice. He's definitely about that. He's 100% about that. It's all over the place in a good way. So then down here we got some Skittles. You can eat those if you want. And in the box here we just have the charger, you know, some cables and stuff, and the charger's right here. I got it over here plugged in. Charged both packs last night. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a whirl. We could get into some things with this. Plan on getting into those 107s. And this is the one of the tools that I'm gonna have. This, the Mini 2, and obviously my FPV stuff. So yeah, I feel like it's a good tool to have in your box, especially for the price that I picked it up for. Couldn't complain. Appreciate you, Eric. Eric's awesome, always looking out for me, so that's a plus, because I probably still wouldn't be flying if it wasn't for him. He's the one like, no man, you can't just let the negativity get to you, you just got to do it. So that's cool, that's awesome. It's always good to have that support there and friends, and that's what friends are for. So we're gonna get into this thing, we're gonna fly it, we're gonna do some things with it, and we'll start sharing on the channel. We'll show little things of it, how it operates, the quick shots and stuff like that. So I understand that they're really fun to do, and it does, my Mini 2 does just about what it does, and this does like a few more things, so that's really cool. Like, yeah. So anyway, I want to share that, show you guys what I picked up. Like I said, getting more back into the camera birds, not more or less getting into them. I'm still flying FPV. I'll never, you know, give up on them. I got 3 of these girls going. Finally, I was flying one Apex for the longest time. I was flying this one, and that's the only one I had up and running. So now I got this one going. I run the GoPro Bones on it. Ran that yesterday, doing some chase. Got some footage coming out, or it's already uploaded. You guys probably saw that. And then the old Demon Seed. Just threw some blue on tour. I like this blue. It's me. So anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. And have yourself a good day.